Huawei is unveiling FreeBuds 4 Pro. What's up friends? You are watching QS2 Technology YouTube channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Huawei FreeBuds 4 Pro will be the first pair to boost Harmony OS Next, Huawei's homegrown operating system. If talk about the design, it appears largely similar to the previous FreeBuds. It appears largely similar to the previous FreeBuds model in the terms of form factor and curves. However, subtle hints suggest possible updates to the design and color options. The most noticeable changes include grills patterns on the sides and back of the earbuds, likely added for aesthetics. The buds are sleek black metallic finish and a bold gold rim encircling the back cover stick. The FreeBuds 4 Pro features advanced active noise cancellation ANC, which uses polar code technology for impressive 1.5 Mbps lossless audio transmission. It also delivers improved sound quality, noise reduction, and battery life with quiet call. These earbuds excel at minimizing background noise during calls. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.